Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I would love for you to become part of my Sweet Squad family by subscribing. And today I have a delicious, quick, and easy recipe. All you need is 3 ingredients and you got yourself a healthy version of the Chile Relleno. So if you're interested in that, then keep on watching. You will need chiles pasillas. I have 4 of them. And I've already washed them, and I will be showing you how I open them and discard the seeds. Next, you're going to be using your favorite type of deli meat. In my case, I'm using smoked white turkey, and I used about 5 slices and I cut them up into tiny squares. You're going to need mozzarella cheese, and I chopped it in tiny cubes. Lastly, you're going to need your canned corn, and I went ahead and drained out the water, and you're just going to need all your corn, and that is the final ingredient. Next, you're going to be preheating your oven to 400 degrees. Alright, so you're going to be needing a pan sheet, and I like to wrap mine in foil to make the cleaning easier. So you're just going to spray your butter spray. Spray generously so it doesn't stick, so your chiles do not get stuck. So next I'm going to show you how I cut up my chiles and take out my seeds. So what I like to do is cut it horizontally, and then we're going to go down like a T shape. And at this point you could wear gloves just to avoid like the spiciness. So then what I do is I open it, and you just want to be careful not to rip or tear it. And then what I do is I cut out the seeds. Try not to go through the chile. And the whole objective of this is to take out this seed. So I do that to all my chiles, and then once I'm done, I have to go in there and rinse them out and wash them out and take out the additional seeds, because there are some more seeds inside. And pretty much what this does is it makes them not spicy. Now, if you want a little bit of spice, then I recommend you not taking out all the seeds, or if you really want it extremely spicy, then I wouldn't wash the inside, just the outside. But for me, I like to always wash my chiles from the inside as well. Alright guys, so now comes the fun part, which is stuffing our chiles rellenos. And at first I just put about 4 cubes into each chile, and then we're probably going to come back and stuff them some more with some cheese. So rule of thumb, you want your chiles to have lots of cheese. Lots of cheese, because that, for me, I believe is like the main ingredient. And you just want that ooey gooey deliciousness every time you cut up your chile, and you'll find yourself, ooh, I have some melted cheese. Delicious. Alright, so now that I'm on my 4th chile, I go back and I restuff, especially the larger chiles. Another tip that I can give you is that when you are out there grocery shopping for these chiles, try to pick out the biggest chiles, because they are way easier to stuff and you get more ingredient. Alright, so now once I have everything already up to my liking, now we go in here and we start stuffing our chiles with the chopped up turkey. So I like to spread it out, and when you chop them, they're going to come out like these, all stacked up, and you just want to kind of separate them, so that way again you can get an even bite of all the ingredients. So now we're going to do the other ones. Then you can go back and see if you want to add more turkey onto your chiles. And then once you're happy with the amount of turkey, Then we go ahead and add the corn. just where you see the gaps. They're gonna be pretty much your fillers. But I'm telling you, this is so delicious. And it is definitely a healthier version of the Chiles Rellenos. I know the classic ones are delicious. If you are interested in watching how I make my authentic Chiles Rellenos, I will be having that version available soon as well. But if you're looking for something a little bit more on the healthier side, then give this recipe a try. Let me know in the comments below how you liked it. Tag me on Instagram. I will leave all my information on the description or on the screen. But yes, and that is all you need to stuff your chiles. They're very stuffed, as you can see. And I only use these 3 ingredients, but if you want to get creative, you can go ahead and add other ingredients. Let me know in the comment below what other ingredients you will be adding. Maybe I'll try that too. So yes, this is how I stuffed my chiles, and now we're gonna put them in the oven at 400 degrees for about an hour until your chiles are pretty much soft and your mozzarella is melted. So let's do that. After 40 minutes, you're gonna be removing your chiles out of the oven. You do not want them to get burnt. You want the skin to be soft and for the cheese to be melted. Once your chile is done, you can enjoy it with a side of rice, and that is it, guys. So simple, 3 ingredients. All it takes is just a little bit of prepping, and then just put it in the oven, and that's it. Voila, you got yourself some healthy Chiles Rellenos. So I hope you guys give it a try, and if you do, please tag me, and I would love for you to be part of the Sweet Squad family by subscribing to my channel. And I have a couple of other recipes available, so check those out. And that's it, guys. Thank you.